wish to register a complaint. Hello, miss.
What do you mean, miss?
I'm so sorry, I have a cold. I wish to make a complaint.
We're closed for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about his parrot, which I purchased not half an hour ago from his very boutique.
Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with him, my lad. He's dead. That's what's wrong with him.
No, he's resting.
Resting? Look, mate, I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's not dead. He's resting. The Norwegian bluebird.
Whoever he's done into it is stone dead.
No, he's resting.
Alright then, if he's resting, I'll wake it up. Hello, Polly. Hello, Mr Parrot. I've got lovely fresh goldfish for you for sure.
There, move it.
No, it didn't. No, he was in the cage.
I never.
Yeah, he did.
I never do anything.
Hello, Polly. Hello. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Testing. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Now that's what I call a dead parrot.
No, he's stunned.
Stunned?
Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian blue stung easy, Major.
Now look, mate, I've definitely had enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. When I bought it half an hour ago from this very shop, you were saying it sort of like a movement were due to have been tired and worn out after a long walk.
Well, he's probably pining for the fold.
Pining for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Why did it fall flat in his back the moment I got it home?
The Norwegian blue likes keeping on his back.
I thought the limitations having in that parrot when I got it home. I discovered the only reason they'd been sitting on his perch in the first place because there'd be a nail there.
Well, of course I mean, it was nailed that if I haven't of a nail that burned down, it will have gone into the bar and woof.
Boom! This bird won't boom if you put 4,000 bolts through his bleeding demise.
No, he's pining.
He's not pining, he's passed on. This parrot is no more. He's ceased to be, expired and gone to meet his maker. He's a stiff, bereft alive. If you hadn't nailed it at first, you'd be pushing up daisies.
Well, I better replace it then. Sorry, Squall. I haven't looked around the back of the shop and we got run out of Polly.
I see you got a picture.
I got slung.
Does it talk?
No, not really.
Well, it's hardly a replacement then, is it?
Well, I guess not.
Well.